Hello students, this question is taken from test series 9 from the subject power system from the topic symmetrical components and its fault calculation, and it is of linked data question for the question number 52. The given question, two 11 kV 20 MVA generators that is operating in parallel as shown in the figure. These two generators are operating in the parallel, that is having the base kVA that is 11 kV and base MVA as 20 MVA. The positive, negative, zero sequence reactance of the reactants are J0.2, J0.16 and J0.2, and here the value of respectively. The star point of the one of the generator is isolated and that of other is earthed through a resistor of 5 ohms. Here the value of generator is isolated and one is earthed with through a resistor of 5 ohms. Here it should be earthed, that is 5 ohms. In this we have to find the value of the voltage across the grounding resistor for a SLG fault at the terminals of the generator as shown in the figure. This is the SLG fault. We have to find the value of voltage across the grounding resistor. The value of voltage that is across the grounding resistor we have to find. First we will calculate the value of base kVA, that is the value of x1 equivalent is equal to J0.2 into J0.2 divided by J0.2 plus J0.2. That is, they given the value of positive, negative sequence and zero sequence are J0.2, 0.16 and 0.2. So these two are becomes parallel, that is 0.2 into J0.2 divided by J0.2 plus J0.2. That will becomes, after solving this value, you will get the value of x1 equivalent as J0.1 pu. So for the generator 2, the value of x2 equivalent is equal to negative sequence by 2, that is J0.16 by 2, that is J0.08 pu. So the value of earthed resistance is given 5 ohms. So the value of resistance Rn is equal to 5 divided by base kVA whole square divided by base MVA. That is, base kVA is 11 kV and base MVA is 20 MVA, that is 10 power 6. After solving this value, we will get the value of Rn, that is 0.82 per unit. So first we will calculate the value of Z equivalent, that is Z0 is equal to x0 plus 3 into Rn. So we know the value of x0, that is negative 0 reactance, that is given 0.2 J plus 3 into Rn is 0.82 per unit. After solving this value, we will get the value of Z0 equivalent as 2.46 plus J 0.2. So I have calculated the value of 3. Then we can find the value of IA, that is equal to IF is equal to IA equal to 3 into IA1. So the value of IA1 is nothing but 1 by total, that is J0.1 plus J0.08 plus the value of Rn Z0 is 2.46 plus J0.2. So after solving this value, we will get the value of this IA, that is 1.205 angle of 8.78. So the formula for voltage, that is voltage at the grounding resistor per unit, that is 0.82, that is 0.82 into 1.205 angle of minus 8.78. So the value of voltage across the grounding resistor, that is 0.988 per unit. So actual value it should be 0.98 into base kVA by root 3. So the value of actual value will become, that is 6.27, that is kilowatt. So which is the option 6.27 kilowatt, option C. In this session we have studied about how to calculate the value of the voltage across the grounding resistor for a SLG fault, that is, the fault is given like this at the terminals of the generator. Thank you.